Hi everyone, I'm Alex.
And I'm Mia. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Here we speak in very simple English, slow and clear, so you can learn easily.
No difficult grammar,
No complex vocabulary.
just natural, daily life English conversation. And today's topic is super relatable your college life.
Your college life. Let's begin.
So, Alex, how was your college life?
My college life was a mix of freedom, fun, stress, and no sleep.
Same. College life equals new friends, new experiences, new problems.
My first day of college. I felt excited and scared at the same time.
Yes, searching for classrooms with confused faces.
And acting confident, but actually panicking inside.
Attendance was a big challenge. Every semester, 75% or detained.
Yes, attendance pressure was more than exam pressure.
And teachers always said, "Where were you yesterday?" And I always said, "Traffic, heavy traffic."
College friends are special. We laugh together, skip classes together, and eat together.
Yes, college friends become family. They understand your mood without words.
And they always save your seat in class.
Canteen is the heart of college life.
Yes, not classroom, not library, canteen.
Eating samosas, chatting, laughing, planning trips, everything happens in canteen.
More memories in canteen than in classrooms.
8 a.m. class equals biggest enemy.
Yes, half the class is sleeping, half pretending to listen, and one topper actually listening.
And teachers always say, "Why are you so sleepy?" And we think, "Ma'am, it's 8 a.m. Even the sun is tired."
Group projects were funny. One person works, one person disappears, one person does the PPT, and one person says, I'll present.
Yes, group projects show everyone's true personality. Exam preparation in college is different. Whole semester, no study. One night before exam, study everything.
Exactly. Library suddenly becomes full. Everyone says, Bro, explain this quickly.
College festivals were amazing. Music, dance, games, food stalls.
Yes, Fest week felt like holiday week.
Best vibes, best memories.
Why college life matters.
College teaches independence. You learn to handle life.
Yes, you understand responsibility, friendship, freedom, and hard work,
College life helps you grow as a person.
and gives memories you will never forget.
Hmm, Alex, did you stay in a hostel?
Yes, for 1 year. Hostel life equals freedom plus noise plus noodles at midnight.
Yes. Hostel equals no rules at night plus too many rules in the morning.
True. Also, sleep schedule gone. Finished.
Campus walks were the best. Evening time, cool breeze, friends talking.
Yes, walking without purpose, just relaxing, just enjoying college life.
Those small moments felt big.
College teachers were unique. Some were super chill, some were super strict, and some were mood based.
Yes, mood based teachers are unpredictable. One day happy, next day angry. We never know why. Alex, were you a last bencher or first bencher?
Last bencher, proudly.
Same. Last bench equals laughing silently, plus eating snacks, plus doing nothing.
And teacher never understood why last bench always smiled.
College also had love stories, secret crushes, small smiles, long eye contact.
Yes, college romance is slow but cute. One glance can make your whole day.
Exactly.
Presentations were scary. I opened the PPT and my brain said, "Good luck, I'm leaving."
Same. Voice starts shaking, hands start shaking, everything shakes. End of semester equals full stress. Assignments, projects, exams, everything together.
Yes, the last week of semester feels like a whole year.
But somehow, we survive.
Graduation day was emotional, happy, proud, sad, everything mixed.
Yes, we take pictures, hug friends, and say we'll stay in touch. But life gets busy.
Still, college memories stay in heart forever. Why college life stays special?
College is where you learn about yourself, who you are, what you love, what you want.
Yes, it teaches independence, responsibility, and confidence.
And gives you friendships you never forget.
College ends, but the feeling stays.
Alex, did you ever go to the college library?
Yes, but mostly during exam week.
Same. Library feels peaceful until someone sneezes loudly.
Yes, one sneeze, whole library wakes up.
Cafeteria queues were long, very long.
Yes, by the time you reach the counter, your hunger is double.
And sometimes the item you want is finished.
That hurts more than breakups.
College celebrations were so fun. Traditional day, sports day, freshers, farewell.
Yes, everyone wears nice clothes, takes pictures, and acts like models.
College friends have inside jokes that no one else understands.
Yes, one word, one look, and the whole group starts laughing.
Those small jokes become big memories.
Did you ever bunk classes?
Maybe. Okay, yes.
Same. Bunking class felt like a secret mission. Don't let the teacher see.
And then we sit in the canteen happily.
Teachers always had classic lines like, "Are you here to study or chat?"
Yes, or last bench, please focus.
Last bench was never focused.
Result day was scary, very scary.
Yes, opening the result with shaking hands, praying, and refreshing the page 100 times.
And when the result finally shows, heart dugun dugun dugun.
The last day of college.
Last day of college makes everyone emotional. Laughing, crying, hugging.
Yes, you feel excited for future, but sad about leaving friends.
Those goodbyes are soft but deep.
And everyone says, "We will meet soon." But life gets busy. Still, memories stay. Why college life is unforgettable.
College is not just an institution, it's a journey.
A journey of mistakes, lessons, freedom, and growth,
It teaches us who we are.
and who we can become.
Alex, do you remember college Wi Fi?
Yes, it worked only when we didn't need it.
Exactly. When we wanted to download notes, slow. When we wanted memes, super slow. When teachers wanted to show something, Wi Fi not working.
Wi Fi had mood swings.
Another challenge was finding a seat in class. If you arrive late, only front seats are free.
And front seats equals maximum attention from teacher.
Yes, front bench feels dangerous sometimes.
College fests were magical. Music, lights, performances.
And food stalls. I only went for food.
Same. Fest equals eat, laugh, click photos, repeat.
In some colleges, AC becomes a big fight. Some students want AC on, some want AC off.
And the teacher stands in the middle like a judge.
Temperature wars.
When class ended, everyone ran out like it was Olympics.
Yes, especially after last lecture. Speed equals 100 kilometers per hour. College WhatsApp groups were funny. 100 messages per minute.
Mostly memes, rarely notes.
And someone always wrote, "Can someone send today's notes?" Every single day.
We clicked so many photos in college.
Yes, random pictures, funny pictures, serious pictures, and 100 tries for one good selfie.
And still, someone's eyes were always closed.
Okay, Alex. Now, this is the real final part.
Yes, and what a lovely extended episode.
If you're enjoying today's lesson, don't forget to hit the like button.
And make sure you subscribe to our channel, Learn English Easy Way, so you never miss a new episode.
Oh, and one more thing. Share this video with your friends who want to improve their English.
Your support really helps our channel grow. Thanks for listening.
Thank you, listeners, for practicing English with us.
Stay smiling, stay learning, keep your college memories in your heart.
Bye.
Bye.